Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video ever and I'm going to be talking about Naturall Club's Damaged Hair Solution Deep Conditioner. So let's get started. I just want to show you guys what my hair looks like before I start doing anything to it. I soaked my hair with warm water and really let that hydrate my hair before I apply the deep conditioner. I'm not even going to lie to you guys, my hair is tangled AF. I had finger coils in my hair for over a week and then I put it up in a bun, so now my hair needs a treatment. I like to start by parting my hair and then separating it into sections. I usually do about 4 sections just to make the process go a little quicker. Then I follow that up by twisting out each section to keep the hair out of the way. So Naturall Club offers 3 different deep conditioning hair solutions. They have one for dry hair, dull hair, and damaged hair. They're packaged frozen, so you have to put them in the freezer before you're getting ready to use. I wanted to be cute and put on some makeup for this video. But when I rinsed out my hair, I washed my eyebrows clean off of my face, so we're just gonna keep it simple for today. Pretty sure if my dad ever tried to style my hair, this is exactly what it would look like. So I'm gonna pin up my hair and start applying the deep conditioner, starting from the back and then working my way forward. You can already see how tangled my hair is. I want to show you guys the consistency of the deep conditioner. It's really creamy and not too thick, has a little bit of slip to it, and I do want to mention that it makes your hands feel kind of funny just because it's jam-packed with protein. This is the most concentrated solution out of the 3, so if you're protein sensitive, this is not the one for you. However, my hair has heat damage at the end, so this is the one I'm going to use. The product is also jam-packed with a bunch of essential oils such as lavender, coconut, jojoba. So if you're looking for something that's fruity and smells like bubblegum surprise, also not the one for you. I just want to show you one more time the consistency of the deep conditioner. It reminds me of marshmallow fluff and whipped avocado combined together. I think that's basically what it feels like. So I'm going to work the product in and really focus on the length of my hair and the ends, since that's where I need the most love right now. So I'm adding in more water because my hair is starting to dry out. If that happens to you, I suggest you do the same thing because you need water to work this product through. I also want to mention that I'm in my bedroom, so I'm making a mess. I know I look crazy, you don't have to tell me. Working in sections works because I have different curl patterns throughout my hair, so this is the easiest way to get it done. I just want to show you guys the definition that I'm already getting just by applying this product, not even having it in my hair for long. My curls are super shiny and super defined right now. If you're interested in checking out Naturall Club, I'll leave their link and the product descriptions down below in the description box. I'll also have a referral code for you to use. So Naturall Club recommends that you use their deep conditioners bi-weekly, which is every other week, just to maintain the best results. I'm gonna finish up using this packet because Lord knows my hair needs it. though? Look how defined those curls are. Next, I'm going to put on my shower cap and just make sure that all of my hair fits securely underneath. And I do this before my next step, which is sitting under my Conair hooded dryer for about 30 minutes to deep condition. And we're good to go. So I just got out of the hooded dryer and I wanted to show you what my curls look like before I rinse any of the product out. You can see the difference from how I started and now. You can tell that my curls are more defined, they're shinier, they're moisturized, and definitely less tangled. So I'm gonna rinse my hair and finish up with my wide tooth comb and detangle any of the remaining knots that I may have. And I'm gonna do that off screen, or else this is gonna be a 40-minute video and we don't have time for that. And this is the end result. Shiny curls that are defined, moisturized, and tangle-free. Thanks for watching!